In the next 90 seconds, you'll unlock the power to build your own website using Adobe Dreamweaver. First, launch Dreamweaver and create a new HTML file. Select HTML from the new document window, click the Create button, and you're ready to start building the foundation of your website. Let's create the basic HTML structure. Start with your document title and add headings, paragraphs, and other basic HTML tags. This is where you add your fundamental content. Now to the fun part, styling. Open the CSS Designer panel. Here, you can define CSS rules for font sizes, colors, and page layouts. This is what gives your website its visual identity and structure. Let's create layouts. Utilize CSS grids or flexbox for creating a smooth and consistent layout. Using these methods, you can easily control how elements are arranged on the page. To achieve responsiveness, Dreamweaver allows you to preview your website on different screen resolutions. Apply media queries. This ensures your website looks great on all devices, from desktops to smartphones. Congratulations! You've learned the basics of building a website with Dreamweaver. Remember to save your file and preview it in your browser to admire your creation. Don't forget to upload it to your domain and add social media icons to further engage your audience. Keep experimenting and refining your skills, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more web development tips.